Hey everyone, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I headed into Walgreens this week, and let me just tell you, Walgreens isn't super hot this week, but there's still some really sweet deals like that Pantene. I got everything you see here in this cart for roughly $10. And of course, I actually made it a little bit cheaper for me. I'll show you how I did it all, but let's go. So, the very first deal that we have for you are these Walgreens pads and liners. The sale this week is buy two. They're buy one, get one 25% off. And then also, you're going to get a $5 register reward when you check out. So, you want to look for these pads or liners that are regularly priced $3.29. They are on sale two for $6. So, one is going to ring up $3 and the other one is going to ring up $2.25, a total of $5.25. Well, you'll pay that out of pocket, but then you're going to get a $5 register reward, making both of these pads just 25 cents. Completely amazing. Now, look for these clearance pads and liners that are $1.49. You can also do the deal with this if you can find them. Obviously, my store was out, so I didn't get to get this moneymaker deal, but if you happen to find them, it can be a sweet moneymaker. The next deal I grabbed was the Nivea body wash. Now, these are regularly priced $7.99, and we have a really great sale this week of buy one, get one 50% off. Now, you're not going to have any coupons to pair with this, so your out of pocket is quite large at $11.98. But we're going to get $5 back in a register reward. Plus, once you get that back, you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1.50 back on one, and it's a limit of 5 times, so you get $3 back there. That leaves that final cost at $3.98 total, or $1.99 each, coming from that $8 price point down to $2. This is a pretty sweet deal. The next deal we're grabbing is probably my ultimate favorite deal because I absolutely love Pantene shampoo and conditioner. It's always been my favorite to grab. Now, these are regularly priced $5.99, but they're on sale for $5 each. And you want to grab two of them because we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $7 out of pocket, but when you buy two, you're also going to get a $3 register reward. So your final cost ends up being $4 total, or $2 each. And let me tell you, I haven't had a very good deal on Pantene in a very long time, so I am happy to take these for $2 a bottle. The next deal we're going to grab here is the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. Now, these are regularly priced $5.99 as well, and they are also on sale 2 for $10, or $5 each. Now, you want to grab two of them and throw them in your cart. There are two different coupons that you want to make sure that you clip. There is a 3 off 2 store digital coupon. Make sure that that is clipped. And then a 3 off 2 manufacturer digital coupon. Make sure that is clipped. Final cost is going to be $4 total, or $2 each. Now, there's no extra register rewards to go with it, but it's still a really amazing deal. And if you're like me and you've kind of worn down your stockpile on shampoo and conditioner, this is a great deal to help build up that stockpile. All right, it's time to crunch some numbers here. So, as you can see, everything in this cart is going to be $37.23. And those are the sale prices. That is not the full price of every product. Obviously, that would be a little bit more. So, $37.23. We have $9 in coupons, 3 off on 2 for the Pantene, and then 2 different 3 off on 2s for the L'Oreal. One is a store and one is a manufacturer coupon. So $9 off is going to bring us down to $28.23. Now, I did not stop here. I actually had 2 register rewards as well as $20 in Walgreens cash that I paired with this to pay a very low out of pocket. But if you are using any kind of big spend booster, like a spend 35 booster or something like that, then you would pay the rest of this out of pocket. You could use the register rewards. So that's maybe where you stop and you're going to have to pay there. Now I did, like I said, I had a 5 and a 2 register reward that I used, and I had used $20 in Walgreens cash. So I only paid out of pocket $1.23 plus tax. Now, what you're going to get back, we're going to get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So I actually had a $5 booster when you spend $5. And any of our coupons can equal up to that $5. That's why I was able to use Walgreens cash as well as get some Walgreens cash back. So 5 of that was from that booster. The other 5 was for the Nivea body wash deal. I was able to get $5 for buying 2 of those. So $10 in Walgreens cash. We also got a $3 register reward for the Pantene and a $5 register reward for the Walgreens pads. That leaves that final cost $10.23. And that's an amazing price. Now, obviously, I did a little bit better than that using some of my register rewards and Walgreens cash. So I feel very good about this. Now, I'm actually at a point in my Walgreens cash where I have some that are getting ready to expire in July. I have about $90 worth of Walgreens cash I have to get through. So I'm trying to find great opportunities to use it. And since I didn't have a really big spend booster this week, I just went ahead and decided I was going to use my Walgreens cash to buy some of the items that I already really wanted. That Pantene, that L'Oreal, and then the Nivea body wash were a couple of things that I really, really wanted. Of course, you can always use feminine care products with 3 girls in our household. And so it ended up being a really great deal. So let me know in the comments if you like any of these deals. Make sure you give me a great big thumbs up if you like to watch Walgreens videos on the channel. If not, I'm sorry. You don't have to watch it. But thank you for watching anyway and making it all the way to the end. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And you leave me a shout out in the comment if you watched all the way to the end. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.